Today I'm all recovered from my Pittsburgh shop-a-thon I took yesterday off. Today I'm gonna do shop-a-thon round 2. I'm gonna start in Gettysburg, which is Rebel's Roost. I don't usually go here, but since I was passing by and making my way up to the Dover area, it was worth a shot. Let's go in and see what they got. What? Oh my gosh, they're on a chain. That was really stressful. Rest assured, it'll go in one ear and out the other unless you're everyone else's. I believe, are these Alter Ego Shafford? Very cool. I've only seen these a few times and they haven't been in this good condition. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and take this. Items over $12. Okay, that's a very strange amount. So it's just $10. It's so unique. I kind of can't help myself. Now, these are also very cool. Are these bookends or they're just like wall plaques? How much are these? $6. They say bookends. Are they $6 for set? That's kind of cool. I'm not sure if they're as old as I'd like, though. I also can't ignore this funny-looking dog anymore. He's chalk. 50. Woo. This little figurine is adorable, too. But $14 is high for me. Okay, I'm having a moral dilemma right now. This Holt Howard Pixie and Sleigh Planter, I've never seen this version before. It's $90 firm. I am gonna Google this immediately. I need to know what the last one sold for. So the last one sold for $280. You guys know how cheap I am, but I think I'm gonna get it out of the case. Oh wait, door slides. Hold on. I need to put my camera down and my basket down because there's no way in hell I'm breaking this thing. Okay, I'm gonna do something I normally do not do, and I hope no one hates me for it. I'm gonna spend $90 on this, and I'm not gonna wait until this video posts, because that's a lot for me to front up front, for one item. I think this might be the most expensive thing I've ever bought, but seeing as how it is in such good condition, I am going to take a flashlight to this one more time and move this tag when I'm done. And it's such a rare item. The last one sold for $280 plus shipping, like I said. So I think I'm going to get wild and do it and post it immediately to recoup some of my funds. So let me get my flashlight out. This is officially the most expensive item I've bought for resale. I'm pretty excited about it, though. This is a major collector moment. I'm taking a second look at what I have in my basket. I love these, but they have a little bit more paint loss and than I'd like for $10, and I'm dropping $90 on the Holt Howard. I'm gonna put them back. I hope no one's too disappointed. I don't think they sell for that much, honestly. All right, I ran that thing straight up to the register. Back at it. Look at this snowman blow mold. Ah, I don't normally buy these because they're so easy damaged. You can already see this one's bent. $24 is retail on that. About maybe a little room, but not as much as I'd like with the wear. More Holt Howard. I had to send a picture of that thing to Jocelyn. She would be so proud of me for spending that much on an item. She knows how cheap I am. Speaking of not cheap in Holt Howard, 85. Oh, and then they've got the single bluebird shaker, but that's 25. That's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. Those are pretty pricey. These are also Holt Howard, manufactured by Napco, if I'm not mistaken. $25 is pretty close to what I get for those after fees. I also love these. What are those, lobsters? 23. And the cat and dog set is really fun too. Again, I can't do anything at that price, but over here there's a lot happening too. Of course, the first thing I see is this ceramic little Lego Japan deer. This one's $11, and let's see, 10% over 15, so it's just $11. Still, I could make a couple bucks off of it. I'm gonna finish up before I get crazy. Oh my gosh, look at these ones. How sweet are they? $14.95. I wonder, 15 bucks. Oh man, am I about to get out of control? All right, I kind of can't resist these. I've kind of committed to getting a little crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these for 15 bucks. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this little deer for 11. I gotta keep track of this. This is getting a little out of hand. You guys, I have not made it very far. I've basically been walking back and forth like a distracted, crazy person. This little felt Santa is adorable. We're gonna go ahead and grab that for 4 bucks. It is Japan. Yep, there's the sticker on it. I love these little felt Christmas wall hangings. I don't think I've ever seen as many in general as I have this year. A lot of things are going to be a little underwhelming after all that I've picked up so far. What is going on here? Left in Choir Boy. 5 bucks. 5 bucks? Dang. Cleaning house. We're going to get both of those. Add 14 to my bill here. Little skiers are fun. They do have a little bit of paint loss, but not enough to make a big difference for $5 a piece. I'll still be able to double my money on those. I see a lot of other stuff that I like, but nothing has really full-blown excited me like what I've picked up so far. What about this little music box tree? It's got some damage to it. As is, $4.50. I mean, it's very as is. There's a lot missing. Oh, this is also, I have bought these before, Commodore Japan. I've seen them, the complete set, sell for a lot, but I've bought them, and I bought a set with the original box, and it really didn't sell for much, so I'm not gonna mess with that. What about this? This is really pretty. This little slag glass creamer. That stuff is kind of hit or miss for me, and since I'm kind of going crazy and this is my only first stop, I'm gonna leave it this time. On another day, I would probably pick it up though. This little Santa dish is adorable. All right, I need to pick up the pace here. I've really spent some time. I love all the paper dolls. Wow, that's really cool. We still have like 2.5 more levels to go. They're kind of small levels. I've done the majority, but I've already kind of reached my max capacity. Oh, and then I see the Magic Chef over here. Let's see, 48 bucks. Good grief, this has been an exhausting trip so far. I was planning on going a lot of places today, but at this rate, I might tap out early. What a cute blow mold. Wow, this is quite fabulous, and it's very well priced. I don't really feel like messing with that today, though. I got enough going on. Oh, look at this tin. How fantastic. 15 bucks. That's actually a pretty reasonable price, I'd say, especially with 25% off. What? Oh gosh, there's more. I do feel kind of silly for leaving that candle display behind, but, or the bells, I mean, not candles. See, I'm already getting mixed up. It's gonna be time for a break soon. All right, I've reached the top level. I'm tapping out, kinda, but not before I check out the price. $9. What? How cute are you? That's Samson Imports, and this one's Napco. Yes, $12. I'm gonna pass on that. Why is this one only $9? It's got a couple little nicks. Is there a discount in this booth? I'm not sure if I can see past a couple little nicks, actually. The more I look at it, the more there are. It's a very well priced for a collector. On another day, I might not care as much, but I've already got a lot of stuff going on down there. Oh, I love these perfume bottles. All right. We have another one of those funny clown dolls. I've bought and sold those a few times in the past. Is this mushrooms? No, it's just like flowers that look like resemble mushrooms. I have to know. 24. Okay, I can leave that for sure. Oh, and the little bone giant cats. A little too pricey for me to do anything with. And I like the half dolls, but those are really expensive. Oh man, I'm about to cry, Uncle. I love that dog and these birds. If this, oh, I was gonna say if it's locked, it's not meant to be. Let's see, how much are you? I love a pearlized finish on anything. $15, not bad. I also cannot help but notice these cuties, $20. That's about what I get for them after fees. I'd only make like $1 or $2. What is happening here? She's missing her packages. Or luggage, I should say, not packages. You can see where my head's at. I've also found some really neat stuff hidden in here. Not seeing anything that really stands out to me. I kind of like that hobbyist elf on the mushroom, but $19, I can't do that. Oh, I see another lamb planter, although I can already tell his face is not as kitschy and defined as the last one. Still very cute, Relpo. $17 and 20%. That's a little too close for me. We are off to a dynamite start here in Gettysburg. I spent $169 in there. I'm watching my step very carefully. I have my pasta box with my old Howard Angel or Pixie in it. I'm gonna take a second to recenter myself, and I'm gonna get back on the road, and I'm still gonna head up to Dover. So I'll see you guys there.